Martinez, California. We've sort of heard this already with the glass, and the Commonwealth's case has been, it's been much better than the first time around. I don't think anybody would watch that first case, but what is this witness doing that we haven't already heard from another witness? We had that puzzle solver person do the same thing with the glass.
Yeah, I mean, you always have an issue when you have multiple witnesses going over the same piece of evidence, right? Because sometimes the jury will get bored. They'll say, you know, they'll tune out because they've already heard this, like you said. But when you have a piece of physical evidence that you're really trying to hinge a case on, you have to make sure that there's no reasonable doubt left if you're the prosecution. So in this case, they're really making sure that this glass, what pieces belong to this glass, so that they can ultimately get into what pieces don't belong to this glass is well established, and that there can't be holes poked in it later. It might seem monotonous now, but it's important to make sure that there are no holes.
Yeah, that's certainly what's coming. Ashley, real quick, do jurors hold it against attorneys sometimes when they're hearing redundant testimony?
Absolutely. Jurors don't like to feel like their time is being wasted. Jurors don't feel like things are being unfairly emphasized. But of course, you also have the concern that if you don't go over it multiple times, a juror might forget what happened and think that there isn't evidence of something.
Absolutely. Ashley, thank you. Let's get a break. If you missed it, to talk about jurors, there was a little issue with the jury today. They were brought in one by one. Matt Johnson's going to join